I'm in my pottery studio right now, and I want to share with you why I love the Giffin grip so much. I use this all the time. Sorry if it's a bit dirty, because I use it constantly. It comes with so many attachments, as you can see. What I like about it is I battle to center the piece so I can trim. So using a Giffin grip, it has different attachments and you can vary the length. If it's a very tall piece, you have a tall stem to keep it in place, and it goes right down to a very small piece. It comes with 15 different sizes, 3 in each size. So that can hold any size pot, from a small little bowl or a mug to a tall vase. You can also place a chuck in the center of the Giffin grip it in place, and then put your other piece on top. So you don't just have to grip it directly to your pottery piece. The aim is to center the piece so that you can trim it. I'm going to aim the camera down so I can explain it a lot better. This is how the Giffin grip comes with all these attachments. When you turn it upside down, it has these 3 sections like an L shape, which go directly onto your wheel. You don't have to do that once. I keep these attached constantly. Depending what you want to do, there's this type, which has the little hole where your rod goes, that holds it in place. That same piece can turn the other way around. It can go as close as that for a tiny piece. And then the other 3 don't have the hole inside this or outside this, but both work just as well. There's like a locking mechanism here. So you place your 3 pieces facing the center, and then holding underneath, you just twist it. And by twisting it, it comes in closer and closer. And then you choose 3 the same size. And that would hold your piece in place. Sometimes you may want really small, low ones to hold just the bottom of a piece if it's very shallow. Every single piece I trim using this. And you don't have to just use it for trimming. Once your piece is completed in a bisque stage, you can place it on here, hold it in place to do glazing as it's turning on the wheel. I'll show you how it's holding a piece and being trimmed. It comes with a lot of attachments, and I have never ever had to replace any of them. I've had this for a few years already. I can't even tell you how long I've had it. You can see by the thickness of it. It is solid. I'd say it's about 1.5 inches thick. It's such good quality. It's worth every penny. The amount of times I've used it, I'm sure I've had my money's worth over and over. So I really do highly recommend this. This is the original Giffin grip. And you do get cheaper versions or thinner versions, which I think work exact same. I haven't personally used them. I've only used the original Giffin grip. I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope you get as much use out of it as I do. You won't be sorry. You'll be the envy of the studio.